In this video I will show you how to enable new search bar on taskbar in beta channel in Windows 11 easily. See new search bar not enabled. Download vivetool and install in C drive system 32 folder. Type CMD and run as administrator. Copy the text key and paste the text key, then press enter. Restart your computer. See new search bar now working well. That's it, enjoy. Thanks for watching this video. See my recent videos clicking here. Like, comment, subscribe my channel and share my videos with your friends. Thank you.